introducing the ultimate solution for securing solar modules on metal pitched rooftops, brought to you by ExtenSolar. Constructed of high-quality aluminium and galvanized steel, both for the supporting structure and small parts, it offers superior resistance to corrosion and wear. The versatile row system arrangement accommodates framed solar panels, offering the flexibility to position them in both portrait or landscape orientations. Adjustable tilt angle ranging from 5 to 60 degrees is a feature that allows for maximised energy generation by aligning with the sun's path across different seasons and geographic locations. Designed to withstand challenging weather conditions, the system secures a wind load resistance of up to 180 kilometers per hour and a snow load capacity of 2 kilonewtons per square metre. This ensures your panels remain stable and operational even in demanding environments. Rest assured with a comprehensive 10-year warranty that guarantees longevity and durability. ExtenSolar is a distinguished manufacturer from China, with 2 production facilities dedicated to advancing renewable energy through innovation and technology, offering a wide range of mounting systems with efficiency and precision.